What is your name?
My name is John.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from New York, USA.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
What do you do for work or study?
I work as a teacher.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you have any pets?
No, I don't have any pets.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is reading books.
Are you married?
No, I am not married.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I eat breakfast every day.
How do you get to work or school?
I take the bus to work.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10 p.m.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I exercise 3 times a week.
What do you usually do after work or school?
After work, I relax or watch TV.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I like to cook.
How often do you go shopping?
I go shopping once a week.
Do you watch TV in the evening?
Yes, I usually watch TV in the evening.
What do you usually do on weekends?
On weekends, I like to go for a walk or visit friends.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you play any musical instruments?
No, I don't play any musical instruments.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Lion King.
Do you like to read books?
Yes, I love to read books.
What kind of books do you like to read?
I like to read adventure and mystery books.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel.
What is your favorite place to visit?
My favorite place to visit is the beach.
Do you like to play sports?
Yes, I like to play football.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is football.
Do you like to draw or paint?
Yes, I like to draw sometimes.
Do you like to hang out with friends?
Yes, I like to hang out with friends.
How often do you see your friends?
I see my friends once or twice a week.
Do you enjoy going to parties?
Yes, I enjoy going to parties sometimes.
What do you and your friends usually do together?
We usually go out for coffee or watch movies together.
Do you like to go to the cinema?
Yes, I like to go to the cinema.
Have you ever been to a concert?
No, I have never been to a concert.
Do you prefer staying at home or going out?
I prefer staying at home.
Do you like to meet new people?
Yes, I like to meet new people.
How do you spend your weekends?
I spend my weekends relaxing or going out with friends.
Do you like to go out for dinner?
Yes, I like to go out for dinner sometimes.
What is the weather like today?
The weather today is sunny and warm.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Do you like summer or winter more?
I like summer more than winter.
What do you like to do in the summer?
In the summer, I like to go swimming.
Do you enjoy rainy days?
Yes, I enjoy rainy days when I stay inside.
What is the coldest month in your country?
The coldest month in my country is January.
Do you like to go to the beach?
Yes, I love to go to the beach.
What do you wear in the winter?
In the winter, I wear a warm coat and boots.
Have you ever seen snow?
Yes, I have seen snow.
What is your favorite thing to do on a sunny day?
On a sunny day, I like to go for a walk or sit outside.
What is your favorite restaurant?
My favorite restaurant is an Italian restaurant near my home.
Do you like to eat out or cook at home?
I like to cook at home, but I also enjoy eating out sometimes.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is coffee.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I like spicy food.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually eat a sandwich or salad for lunch.
What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is chocolate cake.
Do you like to try new foods?
Yes, I like to try new foods.
What is the most unusual food you have eaten?
The most unusual food I have eaten is sushi.
Do you like fast food?
Yes, I like fast food, but I don't eat it often.
What do you usually eat for dinner?
For dinner, I usually eat chicken with vegetables.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my family.
How many people are in your family?
There are 5 people in my family.
What do you like about your home?
I like my home because it's cozy and comfortable.
Do you have a big or small family?
I have a small family.
Do you have any children?
No, I don't have any children.
How often do you visit your parents?
I visit my parents once a month.
Do you like to decorate your home?
Yes, I like to decorate my home with plants and pictures.
What is your favorite room in your house?
My favorite room in my house is the living room.
Do you have a garden?
No, I don't have a garden, but I have some plants inside.
Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in an apartment.
What do you do for a living?
I am a teacher.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I enjoy my job.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 8:30 a.m.
How do you get to work?
I get to work by bus.
What did you study in school?
In school, I studied English and history.
Do you have a favorite subject?
My favorite subject was English.
Do you like to study alone or with friends?
I like to study alone because it helps me focus.
Are you learning anything new right now?
Yes, I am learning Spanish right now.
Do you prefer working in the morning or evening?
I prefer working in the morning.
Have you ever worked in another country?
No, I have never worked in another country.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to travel.
What is your favorite holiday destination?
My favorite holiday destination is Paris, France.
Do you prefer the mountains or the beach?
I prefer the beach, but I also like the mountains.
How do you like to travel, by plane, train, or car?
I like to travel by plane because it's faster.
Have you ever been on a cruise?
No, I have never been on a cruise.
What is the most interesting place you have visited?
The most interesting place I have visited is Rome.
Do you like to travel alone or with others?
I like to travel with others.
What is your dream vacation?
My dream vacation is to visit Japan.
How often do you go on vacation?
I go on vacation once a year.
Do you like to take photos when you travel?
Yes, I love to take photos when I travel.
What are your plans for the weekend?
My plans for the weekend are to relax and visit friends.
Do you have any goals for this year?
My goal for this year is to improve my Spanish.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I see myself living in a bigger city.
Do you want to learn a new language?
Yes, I want to learn French in the future.
What is something you want to achieve in the future?
I want to achieve a higher position in my job.
Do you want to travel more?
Yes, I want to travel more in the future.
What kind of job do you want in the future?
I want to be a manager in the future.
Do you want to buy a house someday?
Yes, I want to buy a house someday.
What is your biggest dream?
My biggest dream is to travel the world.
Do you plan to start a new hobby soon?
Yes, I plan to start learning photography as a new hobby soon.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I exercise 3 times a week.
What kind of exercise do you like?
I like to go jogging and do yoga.
How often do you visit the doctor?
I visit the doctor once a year for a checkup.
Do you take any vitamins or supplements?
Yes, I take multivitamins.
Do you like to walk or run?
I prefer walking over running.
How do you stay healthy?
I stay healthy by eating well and exercising.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play tennis.
Do you follow a special diet?
No, I don't follow a special diet.
How much water do you drink every day?
I try to drink 8 glasses of water a day.
Do you get enough sleep?
Yes, I usually get 7 to 8 hours of sleep.
Do you use a smartphone?
Yes, I use a smartphone.
What apps do you use the most?
I use messaging and social media apps the most.
Do you like to play video games?
Yes, I like to play video games.
How often do you use the internet?
I use the internet every day.
Do you prefer texting or calling?
I prefer texting because it's faster.
What is your favorite social media platform?
My favorite social media platform is Instagram.
Do you know how to use a computer?
Yes, I know how to use a computer.
How often do you check your email?
I check my email a few times a day.
Do you like online shopping?
Yes, I like online shopping. It's convenient.
Have you ever taken an online class?
Yes, I have taken an online class before.
What is your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Friends.
Do you like to watch movies?
Yes, I enjoy watching movies.
What is your favorite movie genre?
My favorite movie genre is comedy.
Do you go to the theater often?
I don't go to the theater often, maybe once a month.
Who is your favorite actor or actress?
My favorite actor is Leonardo DiCaprio.
Do you like to listen to podcasts?
Yes, I like to listen to podcasts.
What kind of music do you listen to?
I listen to pop music.
Do you have a favorite band or singer?
My favorite singer is Taylor Swift.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I like to dance at parties.
Have you ever been to a live performance?
Yes, I've been to a live concert once.
Do you like to go shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping.
What is your favorite store?
My favorite store is a local clothing boutique.
Do you prefer shopping online or in-store?
I prefer shopping online.
How often do you go shopping?
I go shopping once or twice a month.
Do you like to shop for clothes?
Yes, I love shopping for clothes.
Do you usually buy things on sale?
Yes, I usually try to buy things on sale.
What is the last thing you bought?
The last thing I bought was a pair of shoes.
Do you like to shop alone or with friends?
I like to shop with friends because it's more fun.
Do you use a shopping list?
Yes, I always use a shopping list when I buy groceries.
How often do you buy groceries?
I buy groceries once a week.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I love animals.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a dog.
Do you have any pets?
No, I don't have any pets.
Have you ever been to a zoo?
Yes, I have been to a zoo many times.
Do you like to go hiking?
Yes, I like to go hiking in the mountains.
What is your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is the rose.
Do you like to spend time in nature?
Yes, I enjoy spending time in nature.
Have you ever gone camping?
Yes, I've gone camping a few times.
Do you like to watch birds?
Yes, I like to watch birds in the park.
What is the most beautiful place you have visited?
The most beautiful place I've visited is the Grand Canyon.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, I have a best friend.
How long have you known your best friend?
I've known my best friend for 10 years.
Do you get along well with your family?
Yes, I get along well with my family.
Do you like to spend time with your relatives?
Yes, I enjoy spending time with my relatives on holidays.
How often do you talk to your friends?
I talk to my friends almost every day.
Do you believe in love at first sight?
No, I don't believe in love at first sight.
Do you like to give or receive gifts?
I like to give gifts because it makes people happy.
How do you show appreciation to others?
I show appreciation by saying thank you and giving small gifts.
Do you enjoy spending time with children?
Yes, I enjoy spending time with children.
Have you ever been to a wedding?
Yes, I have been to several weddings.
Do you like to learn new things?
Yes, I love learning new things.
What is your favorite subject to study?
My favorite subject to study is history.
Are you taking any courses right now?
Yes, I'm taking a photography course right now.
Do you like to read educational books?
Yes, I like reading educational books.
Have you ever taken a language course?
Yes, I've taken a Spanish language course.
What is something new you want to learn?
I want to learn how to play the guitar.
Do you think education is important?
Yes, I think education is very important.